I'm going to show you how to fix Ark Survival Evolved stuck on loading screen. So for the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. This will pop up, so go to the search and type in the launcher that you have the game on, whether it's Steam or Epic Games. If you do find it available right here, make sure to go select it, right click and then click on End Task. For the next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Of course, if you do have an AMD graphics card, you should open the AMD app. Otherwise, select the NVIDIA app, and if you can't find it for some reason, you can just go to the NVIDIA official website and download it from there. After that, go sign up with an account. Now go to drivers in the left menu and make sure to install the latest available driver you will find right here. After that, go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Now close that. Next, go open your launcher. Now, once you do that, go to the library and select collections where you have your games on. After that, look for Ark Survival Evolved. Consider it's this, so go to this gear icon in the right and then go to properties. After that, go to install files and select verify integrity of game files. That way the missing files will be automatically recovered without the need to install the game from the start. Alternatively, go to general and then go to launch options and type in this command, which is -dx11. Now, just wait for the processes to finish. After that, you can go to the Windows icon, restart your computer and see if it works. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.